Hey guys, this is Mark Shawson, the Pattern Trader. If you look at the dollar index chart, which is just a composite of how the US dollar is tracking against a handful of the major currency pairs, the dollar index has been gridlocked in a very, very tight trading range. And it's been very hard to discern where some of these dollar pairs have headed or are heading. And on April 25th, I sent out an email to our members alerting them to what I thought was a great risk-reward opportunity in the US dollar versus Japanese yen trading pair. At that time, I advised our members to go short at 111.61. Again, this was on April 25th, about 2 weeks ago. And then in yesterday's Sunday video report, I went into great detail of why, again, I thought that the dollar-yen trading pair was a great opportunity. And to that end, last week I advised some of our members to add to their positions at 111.46. And in today's trading, dollar-yen has dropped to about 110.80. So while it's just been a small drop, some 80 pips on one trading position and 60 pips on another, I'm up over $54,000 in my own personal trading account on a bet on the short side of dollar yen. And again, if you look at dollar yen, it's actually been rallying from December, a low of 104 all the way to over 112 about a week ago. So actually dollar yen has been rallying pretty hard. But all the time, I've been advising our members that this is going to be a dead cat bounce. And frankly, I thought it was going to be a great opportunity to get short. And I'm seeing now price action suggesting just that. And again, our members and I personally am short. Now, again, the reason why I was advising this, the reason why I was feeling so strongly that this would turn was by not focusing on the immediate market action. To me, looking at the trading action in any instrument, whether it be a stock, a commodity, or in the case of dollar yen, the immediate action to me is just one book, one page or one chapter in a long book. And really what I'm referring to is that there was a price pattern going back about 4 years ago now in the 2015 timeframe where I saw a double top reversal price pattern. And in the same time frame, I also saw that double top coupled with a head and shoulders bear price pattern. So to me, even though those price patterns occurred many years ago, they are directing me as to where the major direction of dollar yen is headed. So, I'm not basically taken advantage of, or to me, it's not a mystery when the market bounces. To me, this is just a head fake within what I perceive as a long-term bear market. And so this is really what I've been talking about. If you guys would like to check out my trades or get a copy of my weekly video report where I go into all of the markets in detail and analyze and send you guys a video recording of that so you know everything that I'm talking about, then check out my bundle program. I'll put a link attached to this video. Just before I go, I guess my friend Andy is taking advantage of our programs, and he's done quite well. So I'm just going to read you what Andy had to say real quick. Andy said, "I joined Mark a little over 6 weeks ago and have been averaging 2,000 pounds to 4,000 pounds a week profit." Wow, that's pretty good. "His trade idea on Facebook has been one of my biggest trades to date. I'm one very happy customer and cannot recommend this guy enough. Keep up the good work, buddy, and here's to a successful trading future together. Kind regards, Andy." So Andy, thanks for those comments, and yes, I hope to have a long and successful trading future with you. So with that said, if you guys want to send me or share your reviews, your input of any of my commentary, the good, the bad, or the ugly, I always welcome it. So with that said, I wish you a healthy and prosperous trading day.